Alright, this one is Garden in Spring. By Mighty Max. This one is Glittering Charms by Phantom Fireworks. Let's see what she's got. Yeah, that one packed a punch. That was pretty good for $13. That was good. If you're in the market for a good $13 firework, that would be the one I would get again and again and again. Alright, this is Red Wave by AFW. It is a 10 shot. Let's see what this bad boy does. I don't know what it does. Alright, so apparently that was a super dud. But get what you get. It was $10 for 3, so alright, good deal. Alright, this one is Enchanted Forest by Phantom Fireworks. This one looks super cool, so we're gonna see what this does. It is a 9 shot. Yeah, so if you're at Phantom, this is $34.99. That is a definite buy.